Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the series. Creating a website from scratch. Right now we are already looking at my third book, Mastery Techniques in Adaptive and Responsive Design. And it's going to be very interesting. We said it will include new techniques. About this, how to make our website responsive. We will show this in one big extended example, where every part of it we will convert it sequentially into responsive. In addition, we will also look at new techniques in CSS itself, in grid layout, Flexbox and various other technologies. And my new concept, no scroll for sites without scrolling as a command center, dashboard. And now we don't actually have it here as a new book, I haven't designed it yet, so we're going straight to the PDF file. So, last time we were introduced to adaptive and responsive design. Now here we will look at a theoretical chapter. We continue with the purpose, the idea, the similarities between adaptive and responsive design. Both approaches aim to ensure that the site looks good on different devices, computers, tablets, and phones. Both use flexible techniques to ensure accessibility of content and functionality. At the heart of both approaches is the idea of adjusting the layout of elements so that users they can see everything clearly, regardless of the screen size. Both approaches use relative units for blocks, fonts, images, and other elements. Both approaches can use media queries when necessary. A common feature is the pursuit of easy navigation from the general reading, without significance from the device. What are the differences between adaptive and responsive design? In adaptive design we have the following. It consists of several ready-made mockups, and for each type of device we have a different mockup. This is a basic device. We have a sharp change with it when moving from one layout to another. It gives us the opportunity for richer and more complex elements and making a more complex site. With responsive design we have the following. It consists of only one flexible layout and it adapts to different devices. It smoothly transitions from one device to another device, but its big problem is that it doesn't allow for a rich and complex website. We have minimalism. The conclusion, with our concept and aspiration towards a richer, more complex, beautiful, elegant and aesthetic website, the choice is clear: adaptive design. However, we should know the following. These two approaches are not opposites, they are similar. They are two ways of achieving the same goal. That is, they are not opposites, but compatible, not incompatible. This, in fact, means that a given site can use concepts and techniques from both types of design, which is what we will do. Actually, we won't be doing a fully adaptive or fully responsive design, but we'll be making a site that uses both technologies. So, the key characteristics of responsive design are: Actually, I'll leave that for the next lesson. For this will be it. We've already understood what adaptive is and what responsive design is. We'll be dealing specifically with adaptive design in the next lesson. Here you can just take a look at its main features. That's all for this tutorial. Best regards.